CyberView is a comprehensive range of rack-mounted LCD console drawers and KVM switches from Austin Hughes, used in data centers, control rooms, broadcasting, remote locations, and OEM system builds. CyberView cost-efficient 1U or 2U rack-mount LCD keyboard drawer solutions are available in a variety of models to suit client needs, including RKP Series 17-inch and 19-inch with 1280 by 1024 display pixels, F Series for Full HD 1080p, X Series for ultra-high resolution, widescreen W Series 1440 by 900, dual slide design. All models are available with optional integrated KVM switches. All Austin Hughes LCD keyboard drawers have 104 keypad note-style keyboards with a numerical pad and are available in multiple languages. The mouse is available with either touchpad or trackball. All LCD keyboard drawers have enhanced aesthetics with molded front panel and two-point locking system. Drawers are able to be installed easily with one-man installation slides. The membrane switch on the front of the unit operates the on-screen display that covers all key functions regarding picture, PC, audio, as well as picture-in-picture options. A full range of KVM models are available, designed to offer the most flexible configuration. Users can reduce manpower and engineer travel costs via secure IP remote access across the World Wide Web. The Matrix Cat6 KVM switch is a 16 or 32-port multi-user switch. Simultaneous access allows up to one local, one remote, and two IP users on 4 different KVM ports at any one time. Plug-and-play technology provides seamless, secure access over IP via a web browser, allowing control down to BIOS level. 8 levels of cascade can be achieved, offering up to 256 servers from a single top-level IP switch. Combo Cat6 KVM is available in 16 or 32 port for single-user access, 2 users over a remote extender, or 2 users over IP. Legacy servers can be migrated without replacing switch hardware by using PS2, USB, or USB DVI dongles at the server end of the installation. The DVI-D KVM switch works up to 1920 by 1200 resolution and supports 1080p Full HD. The DVI-D KVM switch can be used as a standalone KVM or integrated with our wide range of CyberView screen and keyboard drawers. The KVM switch ports connect to DVI servers using our 4-in-1 KVM cable consisting of DVI-D, USB, 3.5mm stereo audio at the server end and DVI-D and USB at the KVM port. The Matrix DB15 KVM is available as an 8 or 16-port combo KVM switch based on the DB15 interface. Cost-effectively specify the switch to match the exact server configurations using specially designed 3-in-1 KVM cable with USB and PS2 fly leads. Connect up to 16 servers on one switch, or access 128 servers by stacking the DV15 KVM up to 8 levels. Greater distance between your switch and servers allow enhanced data center rack layouts. Austin Hughes also offers a range of KVM extenders. Visit the Austin Hughes website to find out more.